one way in which this is problematic is that all we seem to be able to imagine in our science fiction nowadays are like kind of apocalypse scenarios. So I'm extremely worried that we're making catastrophe more likely by just always with our minds going there in that imagined future and not in more like kind of optimistic scenarios.
I think that's an interesting point to think about, the going into the future with your mind and just like thinking where the future will be and then telling stories about this. It's like insanely powerful. Like if you look at all the science fiction that has been written and how this is almost a blueprint for the future for many people, both the good and the bad science fiction. Sadly, a lot of bad science fiction seems to be quite appealing to the architects of now. And yeah, like so yeah, this is probably one of the greatest ways of influencing. You're not really traveling there, but influencing the future is by envisioning it, right, in a plausible way. And envisioning the future in a plausible way also means you can make a plausible connection from now to this point into the future, right? It means not having implausibility gaps in between.
So planning, in a sense, is like, it's like similar to the invention of clocks. I think it's a sort of domestication of time that's going on there. Of like, here's the future we want to go to, and then tell a story and make a plan and go step by step. And yeah, so I'm wondering myself, okay, what would a rewilding of time look like? You know, like if what we've been doing is domesticating it, okay, how, like what would the opposite look like?